Cadillac's car lineup is undergoing a major restructuring. The small ATS coupe and sedan have already exited the building. The midsized CTS ostensibly becomes the all-new CT5 compact sedan when it arrives early next year, joined by an even smaller four-door called the CT4. And at the larger end of the spectrum, the XTS is slowly being phased out, while the CT6 has been given a reprieve from GM's big car chopping block. In summary, Caddy's sedan lineup is being reduced to 3 core models, each available in new V-Series livery that also is taking a new path. Adopting the same formula as their German rivals, the new 2020 CT4V and CT5V will be faster and performance-oriented, but not to the level we've become accustomed to. The new strategy will be to offer 2 V-Series versions per car, one with more go and the other with all-out track readiness. These are the mid-performance cars. The CT4V offers 320 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque from its 2.7-liter Turbo 4, while the CT5V runs with a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 going to 355 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. Both share magnetic ride control shocks and V-Series drive modes, available in rear or all-wheel drive with a 10-speed automatic transmission, Brembo front brakes, mild electrification, and limited slip differentials. And moving down from the flagship CT6 is Cadillac's awesome hands-free driving technology known as Super Cruise. Previously announced and already sold out, the CT6V is the first to arrive this summer with the heralded Blackwing twin-turbo V8 with true V-Series performance of 550 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.